although I'm not a poet or a philosopher, I do believe there are two types of love. Most people use these in a breakup, but I also think they can be used in a wedding too. There are two types of love. There are probably more, but in my vows there's going to be two. There is loving somebody and there's being in love with somebody. In a marriage, I feel like you need both. You need to love the person through all the big shit storms that life throws at you, making big choices and making each other better. We have to be able to coexist together and make life work. Now the other type of love, the more fun one, the in love with all the little things, like the smell of your clothes, the homemade breakfast on Sundays, the forehead kisses and the I hate yous, races to the shower and long Saturday drives for estate sales. I promise to love you through your bad haircuts, to deal with your stinky feet. I promise to be your companion to uncomfortable events and to talk you through hard times. I promise to always laugh at your bad jokes, but I actually think they're funny. I promise to drive every once in a while and bring you Gatorade when you're sick. I'm lucky that I get to be here making out with you today, to my best friend in public in front of all these people, and they have to watch. Thank you for sharing all my inside jokes. James, I love you, and thanks for being my mans.
Summer. First, you look stunning. And I'm absolutely 100% ready to commit the rest of my life to you. I've been crazy about you since the first day I met you. We quickly became friends. We started lunching and brunching. Then eventually we started drinking and spanking. Thanks to tequila.
Too much! More!
You're consistently my favorite thing to think about. I can't picture my life without you in my arms. You
Give it a hold.
yeah. I got your hands. You have top-notch personality and top-shelf looks. Your sense, I'm pulling them all out right now.
Doing great, Jimmy.
Your sense of drive and determination is unmatched. We've achieved impossible things together, like this wedding, which was primarily you, but also fitting a whole flea market booth on top of a 240D and also fitting ourselves in and out.
That's so true.
We make a pretty darn good team. As your man, I vow to be happy and strong-willed. I vow to stay pretty funny. I vow to be understanding and open to what life is throwing our way. And I vow to start clipping your toenails.
Yes!
Because you deserve it.
Yes! That's all I needed. I give you this ring. It's a symbol of our love. For today and tomorrow. And for all the days to come. Where is the sign? Of what we have promised on this day. You know that my love is present. Even when I'm not.
The wearing of a ring is a visible outward sign that you have committed yourselves to one another in your love. James, please take Summer's hand and repeat after me.
I give you this ring. Like a symbol of our love. For today and tomorrow. And for all the days to come. Where it is a sign of what we have promised on this day. To know that my love is present. Even when I'm not.
summer, your mom and dad planned a surprise for you both. This unity will be symbolized by this brand. One letter representing you, Summer, and one representing you, James, and all that you both were, all that you both are, and all that you will both be. As you mark this piece of wood with this brand, the individual letters are molded into one joined image. This symbolizes the end of your individual lives and the beginning of your lives together as a family.
Can we take it off?
Let's go. All right. I think you're good. By the power vested in me by the state of Washington and the internet, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jimmy, kiss your girl.
I'm gonna give it to you.